What's up guys? So I'm gonna head on into the garden today, do some harvesting. I'm currently in zone 3B, Canada, Ontario. So let's head on into the garden today and harvest up the last of this stuff before the frost comes in. They attacked her, I could tell. I think one of the chipmunks attacked that one, so she's a bit nervous. There's the next troublemaker. All right, let's head into the garden. I'm gonna go through, clean up this side here, get rid of these plants, and then start making my way through the garden, harvesting up this section, and then start cleaning up the front here. I'll get rid of these stuff. I only have a couple more days, probably 2 weeks before the first frost. So some of the stuff start clearing out from now. I have 2 cucumbers that's on here. Like I said, I constantly feed these little guys as I'm working. So that's 1. That's 2. I think there's 3 of them around today. There's so much of them I've completely lost count. Alright, go little guy. You're interrupting my work. He smells the other chipmunk behind him. I could tell. Anytime you see them freeze like that, they smell something. Oh, here's another one. 4 years into gardening, and I could say I really enjoy doing it. I never thought I'd become like a big gardener. The only thing I really ever grew was beans. I'm gonna go through, harvest everything that's right here, and then cut down this tree, because like I said, it's about 2 more weeks left into the season, and I'd rather clear up the garden going into the following year. That way it could have time to break down stuff that's in the ground. Alright, you guys could see over there is all cleared up now. The front here I'm gonna leave. I'm not gonna pull these peppers. I'm gonna wait because I want to see which ones I could repot and try to overwinter them. So the peppers, I'm not gonna get them out the ground yet. I said out of all the peppers in the garden, the Scotch bonnet is my favorite. Only because it took 4 years to finally figure out how to grow it. Okay. Here. Here. So I'm gonna just go through, finish picking all of these, and go from there. And that's 3 of them. I think I've seen a couple more. There's about but that's some of the harvest right there. I have some more right here. You could see the front of the garden. I cleaned out in the front here, but I didn't fully harvest out all the peppers yet. Those I'm gonna leave as long as I can, because I'm gonna try and overwinter some of my peppers, and actually I'm putting them in here. Birds. Doo-doo-doo. I waited too long to pick a couple of these cucumbers, but I've gotten so much, it was basically hard to keep up picking them. I'm trying not to let them get that big next season, but it's not a waste. Overabundance is never a bad thing, at least in the garden. I'm gonna go through. I see a couple more in the back there. Harvest up these, then I'm gonna get the rest of these tomatoes. You could see a little squash under here. And these corn, I don't think they're gonna grow, but I just had put them here to help as support for the cucumbers. These, I have 14 cucumbers here. Garden's a jungle, I could barely move. We have 14 from just, I want to say that was 3 plants. But if you enjoyed the video so far, remember to drop a like, share, subscribe, and I'm heading to the back there. I'm gonna go ahead now, pick all of these. Like I said, this was my first year growing them, and if next year I definitely plant them outside the garden, because they took over, as you could see, a whole lot of space. But the harvest that they produce has been a lot, so I'm not complaining at all. And this is my another little pepper patch in here in the grow tent. I am gonna show you guys what's in the other side of it, but I'll put that in another video and you guys could see. I'll tag it in the description. But yeah, I have some sweet peppers here. These are, if I'm not mistaken, yellow wax peppers. But you can see they're all changing colors. These are Scotch bonnet peppers right here. Some jalapeno peppers here. I'm gonna go through and pick everything that's in here and lay them out on the table and then go from there. Look at this one right here. These are some nice Scotch bonnet pepper. I kept them on the tree until it was fully ripe. You can still see some small green ones here. And that looks nice. But the harvest is coming along pretty good. And that's everything I harvested just from inside here in the greenhouse. I'm gonna go get the last of what's in the garden, show everything I harvested today, and then get into the other video and show you guys on the other side of this greenhouse. But if you're enjoying the content so far, remember to drop a like and get back into the main garden. Alright, get these potatoes now. I'll get these up first. So all I did here, this was an experiment once again this year, because there is a lot of sand around. I just planted them in the sand to see how they do, and then put a little bit of hay on top of it. So this is the harvest from the garden and some of what was in the greenhouse. I'm gonna head on in, bring everything in, and come back out and show you guys what's inside the greenhouse. But if you enjoyed this video, remember to drop a like, share, subscribe, and the link to the next video will be in the comments. Take care.